Okay, in addition to the net metering benefit and the federal ITC, your third benefit is the biggest benefit in DC. Most places do not have this benefit. Most places do not have this benefit. If you go to Virginia, across the Potomac, there's no benefit. There's no SRECs across the Potomac. If you go to Maryland, they're a fraction of the cost. DC has the highest SRECs in the entire country. What is an SREC? It's called a Solar Renewable Energy Certificate. For every 1,000 kilowatt hours that you produce out of your system, you get 1 credit. These credits work almost like a stock market. They are essentially a carbon tax credit that is headed by your local government. Mariel Bowser's plan is called the Sustainability Plan, and it unlocks this massive benefit for homeowners in DC to convert their home and generate income from your solar panels. It is the only place in the entire country where you can do this, and it's the highest in the entire country. Right now, they're trading well above $400. And the way that they work, for every 1,000 kilowatt hours that you produce out of your system, you get 1 of these credits. On average, your solar panels will produce around 10,000 kilowatt hours. So that means you can produce 10 credits. 10 multiplied by over 400, that's a lot of money each year. We are experts in explaining how this program works, and experts on how to sign you up for these and collect it. So this is my first SREC check that I've collected, and it's for $810. I installed my solar panels in January, and my first check for that quarter was over $800. And that was in January, February, March. Those are the lowest months for production in the year. So my next one is going to be thousands of dollars, and I will show you that when it comes in the mail. I use a company called Soul Systems to generate my SRECs and to manage my SREC portfolio. There's also SREC Trade and a few other brokerage companies that I have relationships with, and I'll show you exactly how to collect those. I personally register your system, and I personally will guarantee that you can collect these SRECs.